Philadelphia. I haven't said the full word since I've been here. I only say Philly, so it sounds weird. And we're about to see a Phillies game. Phillies game. Someone just hit a home run. I'm feeling very overstimulated, but like in a good way. So this is fun. It's exciting. I'm excited. It's Star Wars night. Phillies game. And look how close we are to the field. Is this the end of an inning? Is that why everyone's doing it? There's 9 innings in baseball. I'm learning new things every day. Oh! Hey, got a home run! We're definitely gonna lose. We got a home run. Baseball, sports. Alright, YouTube, we have left Philadelphia and we're officially in New York City. I saw it. In New York. About to go grab with the Gymshark guys. And we have a really cool view at the Hilton Hotel. We're like right in Times Square. 34th floor. There's like a very creepy hand down there. Madam something, I don't know. Lied to me. So, we're about to get some grub. Hungry. Now you're rooming with a Canadian. We were told by an angel in the elevator to go to Bear Burger.
We were told by what?
An angel in the elevator.
None of us remember that.
Apparently she didn't actually exist. She's here. It's all organic and stuff. Maybe she assumed we worked out and so that we like a healthy food option.
Did you do like a lettuce wrap?
The color green would be our
Yeah, forget that. I don't know.
Update. We're still wandering the streets of New York. We did some shopping, got some Starbs, we hit up Times Square, and now we're hunting down Casey Neistat. If only to tackle him off of his, what's it called? Lucid board?
Yeah.
He's obsessed with it.
I'm going to rugby tackle him. You know English people are famous playing rugby? I'm going to rugby tackle him. Nikki's going to UFC him. It's going to go down. All the views.
All filmed for the YouTube. Outside Casey Neistat's place. He is unfortunately nowhere to be found. Go figure. But look, you can see like a little GoPro time-lapse thing set up right there. Noel's super fangirling.
It's general area.
Are you fangirling?
A little bit.
He's gone beyond anger. He's a stalker. You crossed the line.
We're literally stalking Casey right now.
Beam
office.
I thought we were into a can.
Good morning, sunshines. We're all looking ravishing this morning. About to get some breakfast. Hot Mess Express.
Where's Lex?
He's a grown-ass man. I'm currently outraged that they serve syrup but don't have any pancakes. But I got pineapple, bacon, eggs with salsa, and they have this interesting little breakfast pizza that has an egg and bacon stuff on it. And I don't know what this is, but I wanted to try it.
Because when you're in England, you can't order an egg on his pizza.
I got a yogurt and a banana and a coffee. This has been like a pure bacon, basically. Hashtag fitness.
Now he's drinking these 2 huge glasses of whole milk, and he said he's gonna have 6 of them.
I need calories, macros.
See you at the meetup. It's 12. We're like 2 seconds late to the meetup because people are slow. AKA this one. Come on, Princess Noel. We are late.
We're fashionably late.
We were on time. We're on time.
We were perfectly on time.
Perfectly on time.
It is 11:45.
Very organized.
We know exactly what's going on. Come on, come on, come on!
I'm pretty sure it's like a donut on the size of it.
How are you? Alright, YouTube. We successfully completed the New York segment. Me, Robin, and Lex, David Layden, and Qwin came, and Noel was there, and Ben was there, and it was good times. We had our little Gymshark crew, and now we're going to get food because I feel dead. The sun came out, and the sun was just on us. Just heat. Everybody was sweating. Everyone was apologizing for sweating, even though everyone was
all sweating on everyone.
Big sweating mass in Times Square. It was great, honestly. It was wonderful. Can't complain. Sassy motherfucking English rip. Like, what? We're going to Chipotle because no one can make decisions.
I can make fucking decisions.
Clearly. I've been walking around constantly for the past few hours I have blisters on every side of my foot. But it's sunset and we just made it. It's the best view of the whole life. Oh my god, look at that.
Say stop. Stop. There. Take this card and make sure there's no chance I can see it. Yes.
Perfect.
Put it anywhere on the deck and shuffle it.
You couldn't just shuffle it like a good old Britishman where we just jumble them around.
I don't even
There's
remember.
your card.
You
I
sneaky
told you not
little
to fucking
devil.
shuffle it, 'cause if I'd have left it at the bottom, I'd have won.
Guys, butcher at that?
Yes.
You were not joking.
Look at that butt. Nice butt, Ben.
Two more.
Robin's coaching.
Come on, one more.
Good job, Ben. How do you feel about that?
I feel like shit. But I look good.
You're gonna about to get squished by David doing fucking sumos over here.
He's mentally challenged.
Alright, let's see it. God, you're fucking tall. What are you doing, Qwin? Qwin's slow as fuck.
This is my only form of shawl. This towel.
Looks good.
Coordinate. Like,
Oh yeah. Beautiful, Robin. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Morning sunshines. I've been up since 4:50. This sky. We didn't even get the sunrise because it's too cloudy. And for now, we're gonna get get some shots by the Brooklyn Bridge.
Where you guys from?
David knows help for the day. They've been being helpful. You know? I'm not quite awake yet, but I'm working on it. Just finished up shooting here at the Brooklyn Bridge. I don't know where we're going next. I'm the guinea pig for the day. It was a pineapple, I don't know if I am anymore. I like this outfit. Seamless.
Then at the same time, you're just like, can you calm down? Can you please calm down? You're going crazy right now.
My enthusiasm is just through the roof. All this walking is unacceptable. I need a boosted board immediately. Reached our next shooting spot after like 10 miles of walking. It's loud. What is this place called? Williamsburg Bridge. Shoot in the rain, Noel said. It'll be fun, he said.
Yo, listen.
Noel looks pretty fucking dry.
I've got to stop. Right, yeah, but hold on, ready? Through Nikki's editing magic, check out these pictures. Ready? 1 and 2. See?
It's cool.
See you when
New York, day 5. We're about to head out before Uber ever gets there because traffic in New York is, as you can imagine. But it's all good. The boys are all waiting on us because we were kind of late at breakfast. We're sorry, Ben. Sorry. We're about to have a road trip, and we'll see if we can have some good combos or banter or something on the way. We'll see what happens. We'll see. Philly band. We have a Philly hat. That's why I was wearing it this morning. This is our car, Lincoln Navigator. What's up, players? Whoa.
Yes.
I told you this wasn't big enough. Hi guys. We're ready now. Noel's driving. Noel, are you comfortable driving here?
Yeah.
That was not super encouraging.
Made it about 10 miles before Nikki needed a Starbucks.
Yeah.
We all needed to pee. I need water.
We're the worst at road trips
Robbie
ever.
needs to urinate.
Ben, show me your son. Ben is again 8 months pregnant with child. What is this?
So just sat there drinking, waiting for you to finish breakfast.
This isn't an entrance, this is an exit. Go this way. It's very bright. Ben won't let me have the little gnome. Okay, I don't think you can see that, but we spent $81 here, baby, because I needed socks and a bag. And Ben tolerates me
$100 with the gnome.
for $100 for the gnome. It would have been a way better day. I'm in a mood, but I'm about to be driving, so that'll be fun. I don't give a sip. I like big mugs, and I cannot lie. It's okay to be hot. Hey Ben, you're the best.
Thank you. I know.
Yeah.
How dope would that be?
But
If we were going along on the GoPro footage of the video, and then it also switches and we're all wearing Isle of Hard and white shirts. That would be so cool. It's still fun.
hilarious.
Except for Ben, who looks sad because he had to pay for them all.
This is the beast I'm about to be driving.
Not a little bit dead. Not like 80% dead. You are fucking dead.
I feel like I'm gonna die with you driving.
I'm the only one that's used to driving on this side of the road.
Yeah, but still doesn't make me feel safe.
A travel life.
These are my driving socks.
Blackketter socks.
They have cats on them.
Oh yeah, you actually got socks in the yeah.
This is what we have to deal with on a daily basis.
Don't speak. Just accept it. Alright, who's controlling the tunes?
Francis,
Road trip priority number 1.
what do you want on?
Drake. Beyonce.
Anything sassy.
Okay, so this is what happened. I let Ben book the hotel for this adventure in Philly, and for some reason Philadelphia super booked up all week, like 98% is booked up. And so he booked us this place, and all the reviews were like, one of them said if I could give this place 0 stars I would, another one said roaches everywhere, and I don't have Maximus Prime, so I'm not cool with that. So therefore I picked another hotel for us, which looks, you know, we're not on the best end of town. It's kind of sketch looking. We're gonna see how this goes. This is gonna be an adventure, but at least it's not the Roach Hotel, because that one was pretty terrifying. But it is the fault of the Democratic National Convention that's going on this same week, and that's why all of Philadelphia is booked up for the next 2 days, so. Oh no! Look, we're attached to Ben and Noel's room. Why can only y'all get in our room? We need to switch rooms immediately. I think we should have the power.
We each have a door.
Idiot.
Like our door's open.
Rubbish.
Oh. What you doing? Are y'all ready? You ready to get your spray tan? Whoa, how cool do I look? It's dope. You already edited them?
Put him in the car, no idea.
Fuck. Oh, that one's dope.
See that, viewers? Your hero.
Your hero.
Me.
Ben, you ready?
I'm ready.
Ben's gonna get spray tan too.
Ben's always being ready.
Ben, your delts look very nice.
I don't think I can handle the spray tan.
Are you ready? Just got very bronzy spray tan. I don't know if you can tell on the footage though, but at this place called Bronze in Philly. It's an airbrush place, airbrush tanning, and I had a really good experience. The girl was super sweet. I think she did a really good job, so I'm happy with that. And now we're off to go do some shopping.
It's as bad as ever been.
Thank
It
you.
is always bloated. I'm assuming the exorbitant amount of police officers and madness going on right now has something to do with the fact that like Obama's here and Hillary. Who knows who else? Or okay, peeps, that is going to conclude this video. Lots more to come. I'm so tired right now. We just finished the DC part of the tour, so it's the very end. Very exhausted. Such a good experience, but I will have the next vlog up shortly. I just didn't want to make this one too long. It's already like 17, 18 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, you can give it a thumbs up or something if you want. I guess that's cool. I don't know. I don't even know why I said that. What's wrong with me? Who am I? Look at my face. Why? Why? Okay. That's all, folks. Good morning, good night, rain clouds, because that's been my life the last few days. It just keeps raining. Okay. I could not make a not awkward closing clip. I love you. Peace out. See you in the next vlog. Mwah.